Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add total row in Excel table. So let's start this my Excel and you can see here I have a simple data. So this data I'm going to convert in table. Simply select the cell inside this data, then press the Ctrl A to select the full data. Then press the Ctrl T to convert this data in table. And here the one dialog box is open. Check here the range selections of the data, and after that just click on OK, and here you see your data is converted in table. With this, the table design tab here also added. So to add the total row, just go to the table design tab. In table style option, just click on the total row option. Just click on this box and that's it. Here you see the total row is added. Okay. You can add here the price and quantity column also. Just click on it and here you can see one arrow showing. Just click on the arrow and you can use the any function here. So I just click on the sum. So I want here the sum amount and I just click again this and click on arrow and here I click on the sum as well. Okay. So you can use here, you can get here the average amount also, and any other function you can use here. If you want to maximum amount, you can use the maximum function. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.